Here's the conference room, and then down the hall towards the ocean to the northwest front office. And through the dirty windows, which you can see, hopefully, ocean view. It's a beautiful morning. And in here, we've got two closets, plenty of depth, and one more where some of the electronics is, Wi-Fi, all that, central phone and power. And there's the exit door out to the other ocean side. An exit door down the hall towards the front door.